Hey everybody, this is Mandy Turner. I cover Western North and South Carolina for Balluff. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to program barcodes and read text with our new Vision software. This is going to be very easy, so let's jump right into it. Okay, first of all, we are going to go to the Balluff homepage. You can type this in on Google and it'll come right up, or you can follow the link below. So first of all, you are going to come in to your My Balluff page. And I just go in through the shopping cart. I'm already signed in, but if I wasn't, something like this would pop up and you guys would hit register as a company. All you have to do is part with your email address. Anybody with an internet connection and an email address can do this, which I think is awesome. It doesn't require anybody to buy anything. So we log right in. Then I'm going to go to, once I see my name up here, I'm going to go to My Balluff. And you have all these neat options up here, which are really cool. You can do a lot from this dashboard. But today we're just going to go into Demo Software. And so this software it's a 30-minute access to our software. You can't save any programs, but it's a good way to jump in and start learning how to program and getting familiar with the software. So if you don't have a vision system sitting on your table, no big deal. This is really cool because you can upload pictures from your iPhone, like I'll be doing today. So I just agree to that license. And right up here in this monitoring tab, I'm going to switch on over to configuration. And in setup camera, where you would usually hook up to your vision camera, your Balluff Vision camera, you're going to go here to set up camera and import images. And so these are just downloads right on my computer that I got. So I'm going to take one of my business cards and one of these barcodes we're going to go through. I'll open those up. And this is important. I forget to do this half the time, but you go and you hit select images and you click both of these and close it and then run once. And we're going to make sure that these come up in the software. So perfect. These are here. And then this get image will pop up. So you just want to run it once again and make sure all your images are there. If this get image doesn't come up as your second block in this program, you're going to go to insert tool and you'll have all these different things to choose from, but you'll choose get image to get that first, but it's already there. So we are going to jump right into reading text. Perfect. Okay, and so it has our business card right here. And this red box right here is going to be where it's looking for the text to read. And this is pretty smart right off the bat. It can go ahead and pick out this text. So my name is pretty easy. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Doesn't make too many mistakes, and it already knows. My name. But if we came to something a little bit harder for it, be like sales engineer, it kind of gets confused with that L and the I. They're very similar together, and it doesn't know if some things are capitalized sometimes. You can see it down here again, probably Greenville. Yeah, and the O's are a little confusing for it too. So that's no big deal. We can go in and fix that real quick, but that is pretty neat to be right off the bat, going ahead and reading that. So we're going to go to this text validation and go to dictionary. Here you go. We are going to type exactly what we want to see for a pass-fail. Okay. So we got that, and it says yes. We saw it right here. Sales engineer is the output that it's going to send to your controller. And it says it's about 78% sure that that's okay. And it kind of defaulted to put the 60 in, but you could change that to whatever you want if you want it to be 99% or if you just need it to be 50%. I'm thinking that. And you'll see if we had a moving image, we could play with it a little bit more. But as we go up and start to cut some of these out, so half the word out, it starts dropping. It's not as sure when it can't see when the whole box isn't around it. So. But that does pretty good, that it can see that, and you can set all your different values there. But just like that, we are already reading and didn't even have to choose any kind of font or any characters or teach it anything more. You can go into a lot more detail, as you see here, but for the most part, it's going to be able to read a lot of the things that you need to do. So that is it for text reading. I'm going to get rid of that so we can move on to our next image. Go right back up here and run it again to get to our barcode, our UPC barcode. And just as easy as that, we're going to hit read barcode. And I like this because if you have this little magic wand wizard right here, that means it's going to be very easy. Click, click, hooray, and it'll already be done. So we are going to go through this introduction, and you kind of read these notes. It'll go along and help you and show you what you need to do. So we're going to search for codes, and it found this purple box you see here. And it said, do you accept the highlighted code in purple? Yep, I do. So we're going to add and train, and it turns green. And look, it already found the exact type of code it is, and it's able to read the code, and that's what it's going to output. So it found the position, it found the rotation, it found all this stuff automatically with just a few clicks. I didn't really have to do much at all. Finish wizard. So alternatively, how you would have to do that, if you didn't have that wizard, you would have to go in, figure out exactly what barcode it is, and do all these different checks. I really like the wizard, comes in very handy. So that's it. It's as easy as that. So again, anybody can do this. If you go into that Balluff homepage, you can set up your own account and start doing this right after this video and start learning how to program this. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you'd like to see more of this, please contact me and we can set up a 30-minute or an hour-long full vision system or a full vision demo where we can learn about all these different tools and the different kind of model cameras that we offer. So you guys have my business information right here. So please let me know if you need anything, and I appreciate you guys watching. Please leave comments below on things you'd like to see in other videos.